In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Excel in WPS Office. Welcome, and thank you for watching. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to open and run Excel files smoothly using WPS Office, and I will also show you how to set WPS Office as the default application for opening Excel files on your computer, making it easy to follow for beginners and everyday users who want a simple and reliable workflow. To begin, launch the WPS Office application on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once the app is open, look for the Spreadsheets option on the main interface and click on it. This section is where WPS Office manages all Excel-compatible files, allowing you to open, edit, and save spreadsheet documents without any hassle. After entering the Spreadsheets area, move to the top left corner of the screen and click on Open option. This action allows you to browse through your computer folders and available storage locations. Take a moment to navigate through your files and locate the Excel document you want to work with. When you find the correct file, select it and click Open. The Excel file will then load inside WPS Spreadsheets, ready for use. Once the file is open, you can view, edit, and work on it just like you would in any traditional spreadsheet program. WPS Office supports Excel formats very well, so most layouts, formulas, and features will function properly. This makes it a reliable option whether you are reviewing data, making updates, or creating new spreadsheet content. If you want to save time and make your workflow more efficient, you can set WPS Office as the default app for opening Excel files. To do this, locate any Excel file on your computer and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Open With, then click Choose Another App. A list of available programs will show on your screen. From that list, select WPS Office. Before confirming your choice, make sure to check the box that says Always use this app to open .xlsx files. This step is important because it tells your system to automatically use WPS Office every time you open an Excel file. Once the box is checked, click OK to apply the changes. From now on, whenever you double-click an Excel file, it will open directly in WPS Office. This setup makes accessing and working with spreadsheets faster and more convenient, especially if you regularly use Excel files with WPS Office. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.